So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I'm gonna show you this makeup look. So let's get started into the video. So today is Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day all of you.
Please subscribe my channel guys and hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. Please like my videos guys and let's start the makeup look. Okay. First of all, I am using bio oil as a primer. Now take 2 drops of bio oil and apply evenly face and neck with your fingers. Don't use palm. Okay, now give a little massage and let's set into the oil into your skin like so. And it will absorb the oil. I got a pimple yesterday, so don't worry, I cover it easily for this video. That oil apply on your lips also. Okay, now completed 5 minutes. Okay, it will absorb the oil in your skin. See this. After 5 minutes, you will start makeup look. Oh my god, this is my makeup cup. This is very cute, na? I am taking my concealer in this cup. This is Maybelline concealer. Now apply on your face like so. Under eye area, I covered my pimple with this concealer also. This is the tip for how to hide pimples and also dark spots. Okay, now blend it the concealer with your fingers. Now watch this carefully. I am hiding my pimple with this concealer. Now I am using this compact powder from Maybelline in the shade 222. I am applying little bit powder on my face and neck with this beauty blender. Don't forget to apply on your neck also. Okay. Next I am using this Maybelline eyeshadow palette. This is Blushes Nudes eyeshadow palette. I am taking the brush and select that pink color and apply on my crease area. Okay, next I am using this kajal from Itex on my eyes. By the way, I am using this kajal for eyeliner also. Take a little finger support for applying eyeliner smoothly and straightly. Again, I am using this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline, using that white color for highlighting my eyes. Okay, next I am using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara for my eyelashes. Next I am using this contour and highlighter V Face Duo Stick from Maybelline. First I am taking contour for dark side and applying contour on my face like so. Okay, give these strokes of this contour. Next, take highlighter and apply where you want highlight your face. Now blend it the contour and highlighter with your fingers slightly. Now I fill my eyebrows with this pencil. This is from Lakme. I fill my eyebrows with very lightly hand, smoothly, okay, because I have already thicker eyebrows. Okay, so okay, next I am using these two. One is lip liner and second one is lipstick. Okay, first of all I am taking lip liner for giving outline on my lips. Okay, next I am using this lipstick from Color Bar. Next I put a bindi on my brows middle. So this is my makeup look, guys. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Happy Friendship Day once again. Bye, I love you. Next video, Friendship Day hairstyles. So please stay tuned on my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Keep rocking.